All right, I'm at this quick service call Friday, almost 12 o'clock. We put in a new central air system for the second floor master suite. Customer's complaining to the contractor who's doing the basement dig out to like 12 feet that it's blowing out warm air, not cold. So here I am. 2, 3, 4, and I got 3 more units on the other side. Put my ear up to it. I got to contact the humming. Right there. Here, I'm gonna put my phone up to it. You hear that? You hear that? Try that again. So if you got the contact the humming, you know she's pulling in. Let's go take a look here. Oh, that's definitely in there. That contactor. Yeah, she's pulling in. She's definitely pulling. Let's feel the top of the condenser fan motor. She's cold, so let's go see if we got power. And we'll see what kind of progress I'm making here in this basement. Dum 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 dum. Hello. What's up? You the AC guy doing the duct work? Okay. Well, why is the breaker off for the master bedroom? Everything looks on here. Everything looks on here. See, remember this last week? We still got to put that that 240 volt receptacle in there. But yeah. I love it when others do ductwork. Thank God it's not me. All right, let's go see. Let's get our voltmeter out and see. I got another circuit breaker panel here. These are off. That's me, buddy. That's right. The breakers are off. I have no power outside. My condenser for a second floor condenser, no power. But there are breakers here off with tape. This is off, and these 240 amp breakers are off. You know why?
Oh, no. Me.
No. You?
No.
Should I turn it on? You want to turn it on? Okay. I'm going to check. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Is this going to be a quick 115 and 225 that I'm going to build to Rocco at RSM? Or I'm just going to give this to him on the strength? Meter flip. Nailed it. Let me see if I can do that again. Oh, shit. I guess I didn't nail the second flip. All right. But, let's see. Oh! Drill flip. Nailed it. And that was a double. Ready? That was a triple. Let's go see if we got voltage. All right, no, it's upside down, ladies and gentlemen. We got no voltage there. Let's check to there. Nada. Maybe I'm not on it. Now I'm on it. Nada. No bueno voltage aquí. No bueno voltage aquí. Should I turn it on?
Hi, you've reached Rocco. Leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time.
Oye, Rocco.
That sounded good.
Oye, Rocco. No bueno voltage aquí.
No bueno voltage?
No bueno voltage aquí.
So what happened? They're not
There's no voltage to my outdoor unit, and there are several breakers that are off inside. And the gentleman who's working here as your duct man, like he doesn't quack though, duct, like D-U-C-T, duct.
I got you.
He said, no, I know turn off.
All right, I'll tell my guys.
Want me to turn it on?
Yeah, turn them on.
Okay, hold on. By the way, smile, you're on candid camera. Okay, let's go see. So now there's one with tape on them, right? And there's two without tape on them. So let's go for those. Nothing yet. Oh, something turned on. Something turned on. Let's go see. Let's go see what turned on. Ah, excelente. Oye, look at this. It works, Rocco.
You're a good man.
Trabajo aquí. Trabajo aquí. Now, ¿cuánto cuesta?
You better be nice.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
You better be nice. I owe you dinner.
Okay. Adios.
All right.
Bye.
You got it.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to be crystal clear. What just transpired on this quick little service call that I did is for professionals only. Never, ever, ever turn on a breaker without confirming everyone on the job site that everyone's on the same page. That one breaker that had that electric tape on it, there's no way I was turning that bag on. Nope. That's the definition of temporary lockout, right? The double 40 right there, you know what? I know the family, and I know the wife, and I can tell you this, that if the husband's wife was hot this weekend, especially going into the Sabbath, man, let me tell you, head's gonna be spinning. And there ain't no way you're gonna blame me for that shit. No way. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, guys. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Just squeeze right in there. Squeezed in there.